In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix HP laptop is lagging and having a slow problem on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, type here for the settings. Then what we need to do is you have to click on the settings. Now from here, the first and foremost step, over here on the left side, click on the system. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the power. And over here, you can see there is an option called over here that's called power mode over here. As you can see, this is for the laptop users, like I said. For me, and right now on the PC, so I don't have actually this option because it's actually plugged in. But to the laptop users, you will be having an option here to plugged in can be set into best performance. You'll be having a drop down arrow from here, so set this to the best performance as the first step. Now we just need to go back, and from here what you need to do is you have to click on the storage, and from here go for yes, and make sure the storage sense is actually turned on. And also after you turning on the storage sense, you can see we have an option here called clean up recommendations. Just click on this, and what you need to do is you can just put a check on this box and clean up the space that you wanted to free up. So just go for this and go for continue. Now what happens is this will clean up the files over here, and you will be able to get free of 898 MB. In some cases this can be GB as well. So what happens is that will definitely boost up your performance on your laptop as well. And also apart from this, once again we have to go over here, click on the settings. Now from here what you need to do is just click on the system, and also over here, as you can see, like I said, next one is all about, if you go over here, click on the gaming, you have to click on the game bar, and as you can see, I have already turned it off both these two things. So make sure that you have to turn off this. And also if we just go back, you can see there is an option called game mode. So I have already turned it off this because I'm not a person who used to play a lot of game in my PC as well as on the laptop. I used to depend on the PS5 all the time. So that is the reason I turn it off this. But if you're the person who love to play the games on the PC, then you can try turning on this. Afterwards, what you need to do is you have to go to the apps. Now from here, you have to click on the startup apps. And over here, you can see we have various apps that's all over here. So what I'm trying to do is just uninstall the app that's not required. So in my case, I have uninstalled all the apps here. So these apps will be running in the background whenever you're trying to launch a computer. Every single time these are running in the background, and that is the reason why this is happening. So make sure that you have to just completely disable all these things. And also if you just go back, you'll be having an option here for this one as well called installed apps. Now from here comes a very important role. That is all about, go to the source size, make sure that you set this to small to large or large to small, both are fine. So these are some of the apps in my computer that consuming a lot of space. Some of these might be actually not needed. Some of you might be actually installed this long back and you're actually not aware of it. That is the reason this is happening. So just go through these and just uninstall the app that it's not required. Just go over, click on the three dot menu and go for uninstall it. After the uninstalling is done, you have to close this. And now from here, you have to go over here at the search. Now type here for adjust the performance of Windows over here. Now from here, what you need to do is make sure that you set this to adjust for the best performance. And you have to put a check on smooth adjusts over here. And then also put a check on show thumbnails instead of icons and over here. Then just go for OK. Then you have to check with it. Still, if you have the trouble, you can try with the disk cleanup. Sometimes it plays a vital role. Just click on the disk cleanup, select the local disk E and go for OK. Now from here it is configured to this. Make sure that you put a check on all these boxes. Then go for cleanup system file. Now go for OK, and it is give you a cache kind of details that you wanted to get deleted. Some of these might be some kind of cache generated and all those things, so you can free up the space around 230 MB. Just go for delete files as well. So everything will be deleted from a computer. These are some of the temp folders, caches and all those things that is being generated in a computer for a long period of time. So those kind of things will be completely deleted from here, which is definitely going to improve the performance of a computer as well as on the laptop.